We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos are for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Friends and family on Discord and Telegram. Family and friends will prosper. Let's pick up the business. All right, guys, we are marking up CHFJPY. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. Market started off at an area of resistance. And here we go. Double bottom started off with. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, double bottom. What comes at the double bottom? The retest. At the retest, market pushes up. So if you look at it from this angle, market came down, single bottom. Look at this from this angle, double top. Market pushed down to another single bottom. Market pushed up once, twice, three times. High highs. Market returned back to support. We have a engulfing pattern. Green engulfed the red. Candles. Market pushed all the way up to new areas of higher highs. We have a, let me see, came up once, twice, drop, came up once, twice, so double top, single bottom, uh, double bottom, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. So market returned back to previous areas of higher highs. We have the retest, and the market pushed up once, retested twice, retested three times. Market reached higher highs. So with this area here, this resistance, what market did basically overall, it came up once, wasn't able to break, definitely multiple times at once, but look at the overall picture, came up once, wasn't able to break, came up twice, wasn't able to break, came up a third time, was able to break. This is the last round, it had a chance to create some momentum, and it did. It pushed up with that within that fourth time. Okay. High markets at high highs. We have an engulfing pattern. The red candle definitely engulfed the green one. Also, we have a short wick to the top showing market price may turn around and market pushed all the way down. So basically, what happened in this area here is basically a double top. Market pushed up once, twice, was able to break. Market pushed back down. Retest once, twice, three times, four times. Lower lows. Okay, about 4% to the bottom. Let's see what we have right here. Like a double bottom with a retest. Here we go. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Retest, market pushes up, retests again, same area, market pushes up again, same area. So oh, it's the same area right here. Same market didn't really do nothing, just consolidate it, basically. It's went up and down. You can definitely get some pips out of it, but on this time frame, market didn't do anything. From there, the market broke the resistance, had to push up to the top, second levels, third, fourth, same level. About four pushes to the top. Didn't we high market at high highs right now? We did not get an engulfing pattern. What we did receive was a a long red candle, doji formed. So market was indecisive. So once the market got here, it wasn't sure it was going to go up, down, or sideways. It looked like it tried to do a double top, and it happened. So basically, what happened was got that single one. Market came back up twice, pushed down, did a double bottom here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That creates that M-bot pattern. Retest came, wasn't able to push down. Double bottom formed within that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Formation double bottom. Retest, market pushes up. Retest again, market's still in the same area. Market pushes up. Retest again, still in the same area. That was a double top right here. Wasn't able to break. Market pushes up. Don't know what this is. Can't tell what this is in here. Consolidated. Basically, market's consolidated. Drop back down to extra level. So basically retested something in this area here. So market came back down to retest. push up, push up, push up, push up, push up, and then we got a double bottom here. So market creating new highs in this level. We have a double bottom, and here we go. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest once market pushed up. One push up to the top, market retire highs. Second red bullish candle engulfed the previous two, showing that the market can drop. Got that full drop to the bottom. Market reached back at areas of support. I see a big double bottom here. Here we go. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. After the fourth leg retest, market came back to retest, and the market pushed up again, but that created another double bottom. So first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market pushes up once, again, 3 times, about four pushes to the top. So market had about 4 pushes to the top here. This candle right here is a doji at the highest highs. So the market wasn't sure it was going to go up, down, sideways. Next candle formed and definitely engulfed the previous green one. Market dropped down to lower lows. And what we have here, we basically have a quadruple top with a retest. And here we go. Market pushed up once, wasn't able to break. Twice, wasn't able to break. Oh, 3 times, 4 times. And that's the retest right here. The market tried to break this area about 5 times, came back for a 6th time, and then the market wasn't able to break for that 6th time, and the market dropped. Like market trying to create, I see double bottoms in this area. So this is a huge consolidation area. Market is coming out of something, so I see it right here. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market pushes up. Market returns back to the same area. Market pushes up for another retest, second levels. Market pushes back down. And market pushes up for the third time. So this may be the final area where market price may drop to create more momentum or go up. If not, it'll break this area and go straight up. Okay, guys, we just cleared our screen. Let's create our overall trend. Clearly see that we are in an uptrend. So the trend lines, market price is trying to head back to previous areas of higher highs. And okay, so let's create our SR lines. Look for price action. Let's see what it's trying to break. Hold on, let me go back. Let's go ahead over to price action. We have an area with market trying to break. Okay, it's definitely clear by this doji. Then we have a peak here. So we had to look for area lower lows. Let's look straight down for this drop. Grab this peak. And it's like if there's another level up, see how far the market's gonna go. Grab this peak right there. That time frame. See if you see anything. Pattern, 2 patterns, double bottom. First leg, second leg. It's like a double bottom. It's like a triple bottom, actually. So first leg, second leg, third leg. And we got that fourth leg and that fifth leg, 6 creates that triple bottom. Market consolidated right here, and this creates that double bottom. So the market came back to retest, and the market pushed up to higher highs. That's what it did. And we got that double bottom again. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Well, after the double bottom, market came back to retest this area here. Market pushes up. Market at high high. So that was one push after the retest. Maybe another two coming up. If not, market may drop. So market's market's trying to break that SR lines. Now, we're gonna add some more SR lines on this time frame. Okay, we're gonna grab a middle. We're gonna grab a middle level between our SR lines. We're gonna grab our at this peak right here on this level, and we can grab this inverted peak right here. So let's head over to price action. Look very clean. Back over to the daily time frame, or down to the daily time frame to read what's going on. Okay, so the area that we're going to be paying attention to clearly is here, where price is currently at. We got that highest high area, got the bottom of that wick, that doji, that candle, that body. So the market price, whatever's going to happen, will draw itself in here. So let's read the market. So right before price action, what the market did, first leg, second leg, third leg, wait, time out. That is not lower lows, lower lows. So we got the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market pushes up. Market then push up for a second level, came back to retest something in the previous level, push up again, higher highs, still on the same level, went back to support the lower lows again, and then pushed off for the 1, 2, market did double bottom. So this area right here is a consolidation area. And this is the third push up to the top. So market either going to drop or go up. Let's read the candles. So what I see from here with the candles, price like it may come down. And from seeing that is why is because the third to last candle is a green candle, but it has a long wick showing that, or at least the last three candles are pretty much long wicks. The two outside ones are forming a long waist, showing that the market may lose momentum in this area. And it may not do a full drop. It could come to a halfway point and work your way up or do a pattern. But whatever's going to happen is going to happen in this rectangle. And we just got to wait till it draw it out. So far we see market pushed up, came back down, market pushed up a second time, came back down. So we should be looking for another push up to the top. And act like that creates a double bottom, not that we're looking for a retest on the top end of the SR line and the market may push up. If not, the market will try to do 3 attempts to the top of this SR line and then drop back down. Let's head down the time frame, see if we see anything else in the market, see if we can identify what is going on in the market. Okay, so what I'm seeing is we can see it in 2 angles. I'm going to show you if I see it from 2 angles. So what market did was, if you put a resistance area here, and it's not going to be even, so we're going to have to use our imagination. So if we put a resistance line here, okay, and let's mark out what price action did. Market price came up first leg, was able to break, came back down for that retest, came back up a second leg, came back down. It dabbled down in this area of lower lows. It created enough momentum, probably did a decline double bottom in this area right here, and then market pushed to the higher highs. So that's the third attempt. So once, twice, 3 times. We're going to see if the market's going to go back up again. But if it does, we do have a doji here, which showing that the market has returned back to lower lows. We have to wait till the next candle form to receive the identification That's to take it to the next level. If the next candle is a green candle and it engulfs this one, I mean market price is going to go from here and lead up. If market price breaks this level here, it can head down. We wouldn't know how far it would go down. It'll go down these levels though. Somewhere here. If it breaks here, go here. If it breaks there, we go on this level, and so on. So what we're doing is waiting for price to draw itself in this time frame. So in this rectangle, price action is going to identify itself so we'll be able to take the trade and know what the market's going to do. We do see 3 touches to the top, long wicks showing the market may drop, not sure yet. We'll just stay in the game and keep on watching. To figure out what's going to go in this rectangle, we are going to head over to Forex Pattern Cheat Sheet on Google, and it'll tell you and give you guys ideas on how to take trades, what direction the market's going to go into, what patterns it's forming, and more. So let's go over pattern. Let's go over this. This is called a hammer. And what this is price is coming down from somewhere. And we receive a green doji. Sometimes we receive a green doji here. And then when we receive this green doji, the next candle that forms after this doji, if it engulfs another green, that means the market may go up. So we can look at buys. Let's say if a candle formed, it was red and it engulfed this way and it came down, and the market can sell down to the downside. Also, too, when you do look for these hammers, these colors do not have to be like this. For example, if you have your color set to red is down, green is up, sometimes this fourth candle as a doji may be red. It don't have to be green. It's an option. It can be green or red. No matter what, it could be full reds right here, but we still have to look for the next candle and engulf. Okay. Okay. Also, guys, what we do also Forex 101, we do work on the Forex, the breakout and retest strategy. And what that is basically if this is price, for example, we see what price is doing, double bottom, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, and after that, the fourth leg. So once the market breaks out, you see that market price broke our SR line. Once it breaks out, we don't take entry right away. We wait for market price to reach its high highs, which it did here. Look like we have railroad tracks. So we have 2 long wicks showing market's going to lose momentum. We have railroad tracks and an engulfing pattern showing that the market is going to come down for that retest. The market came back down for that retest right here. The market may just retest and bang off of that. Also within double bottoms, there's also patterns inside patterns. For example, we clearly see a double bottom here, but if we read this the opposite way, this may not be a double bottom that go up. It can go the opposite direction. For example, if price was here, it's headed up. That'll be 1 touch to the top. It didn't break. Market came back down. Market came back to the second top. The second area of resistance wasn't able to break, came back down. Now, the third time, market broke all the way through. Because it broke through, it can retest and go back up. If not, it can just drop from here. It may not be able to create enough momentum after that third spike of the double bottom retest to go up. Just drop back down. Forex 101 also, there is more patterns inside patterns, and that was one I just showed you. I'm going to show you another one. So when market price is going up, when we see these areas here, 1, 2, or let me say 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are all major patterns. For example, I can't mark this up because we're now on TradingView, but this is basically like a double bottom. So market pushed up once, pushed up twice, pushed up again, created a double bottom, market dropped down. Retest, market press, retest, market press down. All the way lower lows. In this area here, what we see, a double bottom. If you see it, here we go. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. And at the retest, market may push up. Market pushed up 1 level. Retest. Market may push up again. 2 levels. Retest. Market may push up again. 3 levels. The same level. But, you know what I'm saying? So when we get the market reach the high highs, there's another pattern in here as well. We can see it. Here we go. Triple top. What comes after the triple top? A retest. What comes after the retest of a triple top? Market may push down. Here we go. Market starts off here. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, fifth leg, sixth leg. Triple top. From there, the market came in retest. Boom. Retest happened right here. And then we got that push down. Doom, 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 doom. Another major area where the pattern is here, right here. You can clearly see it. Double bottom. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Retest happened right here. Red doji. Market pushes up. Retest again. Twice. Market pushes up. Retest again. Three times. Market pushes up. High highs. Fourth time. Okay, market may work itself down. Got the railroad track. So it's patterns inside patterns. Just take your time to read the patterns, everyone. This is an amazing trade for CHF or JPY. If the market does drop, if you guys like going against the trend, go ahead. But if not, just wait till the market, let the market drop and then catch up on the upside. And let's say the market drops here and it comes back up. Let's say we catch it right here. We can take it to our next level because we just want to probably break this here. Gonna head up to here. Amazing trade of could be 215 pips. Let's take it out. That's all on. Let's see if it breaks out. 158 pips to the top. Tighten up the stop loss. Okay, CHF, we are looking at if market price break this area here and go up. We're looking at 158 pips to the top, 34 pips to the low. Amazing trade, everyone. 158. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. CHF, JPY.